Amoeba learning capsules. In this video, we will learn how to test user access revocation controls. Typically, when a person leaves an organization, their access to data and IT applications are removed as part of the exit process so that no further transactions can be performed using their credentials. As auditors, it is important for us to test the user access revocation controls to ensure that the organization has sufficiently followed the user exit process. Step 1 is to understand the organization's user exit process by performing interviews with the process control owners, such as the HR and the IT application owners, who will share the right insights about what really goes on behind the scenes. The next step would be to obtain the formal policies and documents related to the user access revocation process for a detailed understanding. Typically, this process is covered as part of the user access management process. Now that we have a good understanding of the exit process, step 3 is to obtain the list of levers from the HR for the relevant audit period under review. This list of levers would be useful for us during our testing when we attempt to identify possible active user accounts of the users who have left the organization. Step 4 would be to obtain the list of all active application users from the application owner. If possible, it would be a good idea to also ask for the list of users whose access was revoked by the IT team. Now we are ready to perform our testing. The next step is to compare the list of HR levers and access revocation list against the application's active user list. Through this activity, we are trying to identify if there are any user IDs belonging to levers which are still active in the application. We can run a quick compare between the lists using the VLOOKUP function in Excel. In the event we come across any such lever IDs in the active user list, you should not stop at that. Of course, it is a valid finding. However, to assess the risk of the findings, we need to perform an impact assessment, which means we investigate further to understand whether the lever user IDs were used to perform any transactions after the lever has left the organization. In any case, the results of your analysis should be updated to your manager and must reflect in your document. Ensure that the fact sheets and work papers are updated with the details of your analysis as well as the procedures. And don't forget to update and prepare relevant screens in e-audit. Thanks for listening and good luck.